Nurse Paul, I'm concerned about Mr. George's medication regimen. His blood pressure has been consistently high, despite adjusting his current medication.
That's concerning Mihira. Have there been any changes in his medical history or lifestyle recently?
He mentioned increased stress levels due to work demands. Additionally, he's been experiencing some side effects from his current medication, such as dizziness and fatigue.
Those factors could be contributing to his uncontrolled blood pressure. We might need to consider adjusting his medication or exploring alternative options.
I agree. I've researched potential alternatives and found a medication that might be more effective for him. However, it's important to discuss this with Dr. Paul to ensure it's suitable for his overall health.
That's a good plan, Mihira. I'll inform Dr. Paul and schedule a follow-up appointment to discuss the potential medication change. MIHIRA, let's talk about a transoesophageal echocardiogram, which is often called a TOE. It's a special, very detailed ultrasound of your heart, and it works a little differently from the one you might have had on your chest. The doctor gently guides a small, flexible tube with a tiny camera on its end down your throat, which sits very close to your heart. This might sound worrying, but you will be made very comfortable with medication so you feel no distress. The reason we do it this way is because from inside your esophagus, the camera can get incredibly close and clear pictures without your ribs or lungs being in the way. It's like moving from looking through a window into a room, to actually being in the room itself. MIHIRA, this wonderful clarity allows the medical team to see the finest details of your heart structure, the chambers, the valves, and the major blood vessels, with great precision. They can watch your valves opening and closing, analyze the flow of blood in real time to find any problems, and see things a regular scan might miss. All of this rich, detailed information is not just for diagnosis, it's a crucial map. It enables your doctors to understand exactly what is happening, to plan the very best next steps for you, whether that's a specific medication, a procedure, or surgery, with the utmost confidence and care. The goal of the TOE is to gather the clearest possible information, so that your treatment plan can be as gentle, precise, and effective as possible for you.